Mrbeast made the wrong person famous, and there's why.
So how does it feel to have a sister that has an OF?
My friends always ask me if it's pink, but I don't really know what they mean by that.
NANI?
Do you know?
Jesus Christ. Click the link in my bio. I can't.
So basically, this is the same girl from the Mrbeast squad game video, and she was the one chosen to be the woman that wore the number 067 specifically. Is the same number that this famous actor were in the squad game. And this bitch name is Kamala. And right now, Kamala is blowing up in YouTube. In shorts, actually. And you may ask what this bitch is doing that am not? OnlyFans. Yeah, you heard that right. She is not doing in YouTube. No, she is promoting her OnlyFans to others, people to subscribe. What a bitch, Mrbeast. If somehow you see this video, PLs make me famous next time. You will make a good choice, not like that bitch who do OnlyFans. If you made that far, please like, subscribe, share to you friends, family, I don't care, and comment whatever you like. Peace.